In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a button color in Shopify effortlessly with our 2920 tutorial. So whether you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher, follow along as we dive into this simple yet effective customization process. First things first, you'll want to start by clicking on the button whose color you want to change. This action will bring up some handy details about its current settings. Look over to the right panel, and you'll see that it reveals the color scheme currently being applied to your button. But don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. Sometimes it's tucked a little deeper within sections. If it's not immediately visible, click on the section the button is contained in. With this approach, the color scheme should become apparent. In my case, I can see that the button is using something called Scheme 3 as its color scheme. This is what we'll be altering to fit our design needs. Now, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of changing these colors. To start, locate the gear icon on the left panel. Give it a click to open up the theme settings. This area is where you'll find all your customization options, including colors. Once you're in theme settings, navigate to the color sections. Here is where the magic happens. I'll be editing the colors under Scheme 3 to change the button colors. Now, it's your turn to focus on the color scheme you need to update. You'll find a palette of colors here that corresponds to different elements using that scheme. Simply adjust these colors to fit your vision and voila! Your button will reflect these changes instantly. However, there's something important to keep in mind. The color scheme isn't exclusive to just the button. It might be linked to other elements across your store. This means if you change Scheme 3, for example, it might alter colors for headers, footers, or any other part of your site using the same scheme. If your goal is to change only one specific element without affecting others, there's a workaround for that too. You can create a new, custom color scheme specifically for that button. Then, you can assign this new scheme exclusively to it, ensuring that other elements remain unchanged. And there you have it. This straightforward process makes altering button colors in Shopify a breeze. With these steps, you'll have the flexibility to match your store's aesthetic perfectly. Thanks for joining me today. And until next time, happy customizing.